A volcano in Italy that is home to 500,000 people is getting closer to eruption, according to a new study. The Campi Flegrei Fields supervolcano near Naples is in a very dangerous condition, according to study co-author Stefano Carlino. This volcano last erupted in 1538 but is now at greater risk of rupture than ever. The Naples area of Italy may be more famous for the Vesuvius volcano, which destroyed the city of Pompeii in 69 AD, but the Campi Flegrei volcano is more worrying. The region covers a large area, with a mild depression 12 to 14 kilometers long, and 500,000 people live in the red zone, the highest risk area as defined by the Italian Civil Protection Agency. There are an additional 800,000 residents in the yellow zone. Around 30,000 years ago, the volcano is thought to have contributed to the extinction of Neanderthals. In 1538, the volcano erupted for 8 days, releasing enough lava, rocks, and ash clouds to form a new mountain. In the 1980s, there was another surge in activity which resulted in the evacuation of 40,000 local residents. But now, a study carried out by researchers at University College London, UCL, and the National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology, INGV, in Italy finds that a revival is imminent. One of the reasons is the tens of thousands of small earthquakes that have occurred since 1950. This has weakened the depression at the top of the volcano known as the caldera. In research published in the journal Nature on Friday, scientists report that parts of the volcano have been stretched to almost breaking point. Since 2019, the number of small earthquakes has continued to increase, adding pressure to the volcano's crust. In April, 600 of these tremors were recorded. The surrounding land surface also increased. The seaside town of Pozzuoli has been built almost 4 meters high since the 1950s, according to the report. Earthquakes and ground uplift are cumulative, so the eruption may not have been preceded by a significant increase in activity. If an eruption occurs, the local government has an evacuation plan. The rules are that residents will be moved out of the area using private or public transportation within 3 days. Local residents also receive text alerts when there is an earthquake measuring 1.5 on the Richter scale or more.